Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is January 2nd, 2025, coming to you from the sauna in the bunker. We've got 123 degrees. Just a quick crypto 2025 crypto bull run road trip update. Say that 10 times fast. All the products, all the merchandise has been ordered. I should be getting that the 15th, 16th, or 17th of January. This little guy's going on a week road trip. Kansas, Iowa, Missouri, did I say Nebraska? Anyhow, 5 states in the Midwest. If you're in the Midwest, send me an email at cryptomentor99@yahoo.com, cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. I'll be going to shopping centers. I'll be going to colleges. I'll be going to universities. I'll be going to do interviews with people, and it's going to be fun. I did 3 of these in 2018 and 1 in 2019, and it's going to be fun. Stay tuned. Love y'all. Bye-bye.